Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna show you the right way to make tomato cucumber tahini salad. It's so simple to make, and it's great on top of fish, inside the falafel wrap, you name it. Let me show you the right way to make it, and let's get started. You're gonna start with 1 cup of sesame tahini. I place it in a bowl. And I always love to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Next, I'm gonna add the juice of 1 large lemon. This lemon is very juicy, so about 4 tablespoons. And this is one of those dishes you need to taste to make sure it's to your liking. Some people like it more lemony, others don't, so please taste and adjust accordingly. I'm gonna add the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix using the whisk. The tahini will become thicker and lighter in color, and that's what you want. At this point, you're gonna start adding water slowly and keep on mixing. You're gonna want it to become very light, creamy, and very smooth. I added about 3/4 cup of water. I don't want it to be too runny. I'm gonna adjust it at the end, but first I'm gonna add the tomatoes with its juice. And this is how thick I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna set it aside and I'm gonna start chopping the tomatoes. And I'm gonna chop 6 Roma tomatoes. I'm gonna chop another 3 tomatoes, add them on top of the tahini. But first, 1 large cucumber. I peeled, then I'm gonna chop it finely. Add it also on top of the tahini. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. I'm gonna start mixing the tahini. As you can see, it needs more tomatoes. I'm gonna add 3 more tomatoes like I said before. And I'm gonna chop some mint. You can add parsley or mint, it's totally up to you, or you can leave it out if you don't like it. All you have to do now is really adjust the salt if needed, add more lemon juice if needed, or maybe a little bit more water if you think it's too thick. As you can see here, it looks perfect. It doesn't even need any salt. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's great with baguette or any type of bread, on top of fish, on top of falafel, you name it. If you have any comment or question, leave it in the comments box below, and until next time, bon appétit!